Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to LED light blink on call and notifications in OnePlus Turbo 6X. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.